Hi dear students, I am Dr. Mashur. Welcome to my class. Today I would like to discuss Ri plasmid vectors. Okay, Ri plasmid base vectors. So let's see Ri plasmids. Okay, this Ri plasmids is a virulent plasmid. This is found in Agrobacterium rhizogen. Okay, this Ri plasmid is a virulent plasmid that is found in Agrobacterium rhizogen. Okay, and over the years, the scientists were shown interest in developing plant cloning vectors based on Ri plasmid. Okay, over the years, the scientists were shown interest in developing plant cloning vectors uh, based on R1 plasmid. Okay, and when we have studied about Ti plasmid, which is present in the Agrobacterium. Okay, this Ri plasmid also is very similar to that Ti plasmid. Okay, the both plasmid will transfer a portion of its DNA into the host chromosome. Okay, the host chromosome. But the main difference is that the Ti plasmid will cause crown gall disease in plants. Okay, dicotyledonous plants, but this Ri plasmid that will cause hairy root disease in plants. Okay, this Ri plasmid that will cause hairy root disease in plants. Okay, hairy root disease means the massive proliferation of highly branched root system. Okay, the massive proliferation of root is occurred in the case of hairy root disease that is caused by Agrobacterium rhizogen that contain Ri plasmid. Okay, and the scientists, the biotechnologists were explored the possibility of this R1 plasmid in plant cloning. Okay, the scientists biotechnologists were explored the possibilities of this R1 plasmid in plant cloning. Okay, in plant cloning. Okay, there were grown transformed roots. Okay, they were grown the transformed roots at high density in liquid culture. Okay, they were transformed. Uh, they were grown transformed roots at high density in liquid culture to obtain large amount of proteins from genes clones in plants. Okay, the scientists biotechnologists were explored the possibilities of this R1 plasmid to clone foreign DNA in the plants. Okay, for that they were grown the transformed roots. Okay, transformed roots means the root with foreign DNA. Okay, that foreign DNA that will code for a protein. Okay, they grown the transformed root at high density in liquid culture. Okay, in liquid culture to obtain large amount of foreign protein. Okay, large amount of desired protein. That means large amount of protein from genes cloned in plants. Okay, this R1 plasmid is a virulent plasmid which is found in Agrobacterium rhizogen. Okay, the R1 plasmid is a virulent plasmid which is found in Agrobacterium rhizogen, and the scientists were shown interest for the over the years to develop uh, plant cloning vectors which is based on R1 plasmid of Agrobacterium rhizogen. Okay, then both R1 plasmid and Ti plasmid are similar, but the difference is that Ti plasmid causes crown gall disease, but this Ri plasmid develop hairy root disease. That means hairy root disease means there's a massive proliferation of highly branched root system is formed in the hairy root disease condition. Okay, and the scientists, okay, by seeing this, biotechnologists will explore the possibilities of Ri plasmid to clone foreign DNA in plant cell. Okay, to clone, the scientists, biotechnologists will explore the possibilities of this R1 plasmid to clone and to express foreign DNA in plant cell. For that, they were grown the transformed roots at high density in a liquid culture. Okay, they were transformed the plant cell and they were grown the transformed the cell with the desired protein gene, and they were grown the transformed root at high density in a liquid culture to obtain that foreign protein at large quantities. Okay, these are, that means they have cloned that desired protein in R1 plasmid. Through that R1 plasmid, they are transferred into the host, the plant cell, and in that the root system, that in a liquid culture, that roots transform roots produce the foreign protein. Okay, this is about the RI plasmid. Okay, this is about the RI. This is a RI plasmid. I hope you understood this. Hope you understood. Thank you. Thank you for listening.